Welcome back, TuneUp community. How are you going with your 18 minutes a day? Let me know in the comments section. Hey, TuneUpJourney community. It's so lovely to see you all back here again. What have you been doing for 18 minutes a day? Don't forget to tell me in the comments section so we can do this together. The day started out with guitar. The hardest bit really was just getting started. Who said grandmas can't roller skate? Really? Don't grow up, it's a trap. Thanks, Peter Pan. Yay! Time for the serious stuff. Meal prep. We are what we eat. Now for a little project that I'm working on. Finished off the day the way that I started it. Get your family and friends on board and we can do this together. Like, subscribe and share with all your friends. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified when we drop the next video. Follow the journey. Good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.